Welcome to the Create Your Happy podcast, where the mission is to empower women in their journey of self-discovery. Here we explore how to fully embrace our humanness, find our unique voice, and understand that through unconditional love and conscious relationships, we have the power to change the world. I'm your host, Christy Holt, your one and only happiness hussy, adventure guide, and conscious FUNpreneur. I'm on a heartfelt mission to change the world one beautiful soul at a time. Are you ready to elevate your relationships to the next level? I've got you. It's time for a messy fucking beautiful adventure. It's time to create your happy. Hello, gorgeous human. Welcome to a brand new season of the Create Your Happy podcast. I'm your host, Christy Holt, your one and only happiness hussy, adventure guide, and conscious FUNpreneur on a mission to change the world one beautiful soul at a time. Are you ready to get unstuck and elevate your relationships to the next level? Because this season, it's just you and me, baby, and we're going to be diving deep into the realm of conscious relationships. And guess what? We're not just talking lovey-dovey stuff. No, we're going to be talking about the full spectrum, baby. The good, the bad, and the complicated. From self-love to interpersonal connections, we're going to tackle it all. So hold on to your hats because we're not stopping there. We're going to explore how your past shapes your present, how to break free from those pesky patterns that keep you stuck, and how to set boundaries that actually stick. Now let's not forget, we're also going to be unlocking the keys to receiving unconditional love and acceptance, both from others, but most importantly, from yourself. If you've ever wondered about your attachment style or how to communicate without it turning into the next world war, I've got you covered. We'll also dive into the deep end of emotional resilience, vulnerability, and even some of the spicy stuff like reigniting passion and intimacy. Now let's get a little bit personal and really juicy. Less than a decade ago, I made the most difficult decision of my entire life. I chose me and left a marriage that was clearly no longer aligned with who I am. Why? Because I realized that I was clinging to a life that was actually suffocating me. Setting healthy boundaries wasn't just a topic that I read about. It actually ended up being a lifeline that pulled me out of this relationship that was drowning my spirit. And that emotional resilience that I talk about building, that was my armor and my shield as I ventured into the world alone, yet empowered. The discovery journey that I went on, the self-discovery, was backed by quite a bit of research. And it wasn't just in theory. It wasn't just a theoretical experiment. It was actually a roadmap to my new life. And it led to me being able to create the most epic relationship with my current partner. We've just celebrated 5 years together. And let me tell you, it is the relationship of my dreams. Effective communication isn't just merely a chapter in a book for us. It's our daily practice. Let me put it to you this way. Understanding how we most feel loved is not just a quiz result. It's how we keep the fire burning every single day. And here's the kicker. The topics that we're going to be covering this season, they're not just theories. They're proven methods that have not only given me a committed and passionate relationship, but have also transformed my relationship with my kids, with my ex, with friends, clients, and even strangers on the internet. Plus, they've really revolutionized my relationship with food, my body, with money, and the world at large. They have changed the lives of many. The only question is, will your life be next? So if you're looking to empower yourself and create the happy relationships that you desire and deserve, you will not want to miss this season. This is far more than just a podcast. It's a transformational journey, and I'm inviting you to be a part of it. It's time for you to experience love unstuck and learn how to consciously create the relationships that you desire and deserve, both with yourself and with others. The new season kicks off on November 28th, and I absolutely cannot wait. So mark your calendars, tell your friends, and let's get ready to dive deep, laugh loud, and elevate your life. See you soon, gorgeous. It's time to create your happy. Thank you so much for listening to today's show. I trust you were inspired to take back your power and create your happy. If you enjoyed this episode, I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe, leave a review, and share the show with the women in your life who could use a little more inspiration today. If you'd like to connect or explore the additional resources mentioned in this episode, you can find those details and links in the show notes below. As always, get out there, have fun, be you, and create your happy.